Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and in this left section simply scroll down to the very bottom to tap on About Tablet. Now we have to find a special number which is called build number, and we have to enter the software information. As you can see, the build number is right here, so all we have to do is to keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. So now, after doing that, we have to scroll down again in this left section, because as you can see, under the About Tablet we've got the developer options. So let's tap on it, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can manage the view updates, we can show them, we can show text ID, layout bounds. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking, because we've got the Bluetooth, the USB configuration, the Wi-Fi options, etc. So quite a lot of options to customize. And all we have to do in order to turn on the feature is to simply tap on the switcher, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, so for example, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off just by tapping on the switcher at the top, which is pinned to the top. And most of the options will be inactive right now, and as you can see from this left section, the developer options disappeared. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again just by tapping on this switcher and confirming it with OK, or if you will get back accidentally, just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.